Hello friends. The hand-painted maple leaf on the rock not only has a delicate beauty, but the Canadian maple leaf also has a great symbolic meaning as the symbol of Canada. It is the harmony and attachment of each ethnic group in this country, a meaningful work of art for relatives and friends.
Hold me close and tell me what I want to know. Say it to me gently, let the sweet talk flow. Come a little closer, make love to me. Kiss me once again before we say goodnight. Take me in your loving arms and squeeze me tight. Put me in a mood so I can dream all night. Everybody's sleeping so it's quite alright. Come a little closer, make love to me. When you're near, so help me dear, chills run up my spine. Don't you know I love you so? I won't be happy till you're mine. When I'm in your arms you give my heart a treat. Everything about you is so doggone sweet. Every time we kiss you make my life complete. Baby doll, you know you set me off my feet. Now's the time to tell you, make love to me. Be happy till you're mine. When I'm in your arms you give my heart a treat. Everything about you is...
For more information please visit website emeraldblossoms.com. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to my channel.
You set me off my feet.